Okay guys, this is the way you use the hot tub. I got a brand new hot tub in, so you shouldn't have no problems with it. Now it does have a cover, okay? Always try to keep this covered after you use it. Please cover it after you use the hot tub. So you have two straps. You have a strap here, you're gonna unhook there, you see that? You unhooked one, and then you come to this side, same thing, you're gonna unhook this here, okay? You unhook. Okay, so now you do have these two doors here, okay? You're gonna pull this one first out towards you, okay? And it should open just like that, okay? You do the other one, you push it towards you, and it should open just like that, okay guys? So now you come where the hot tub is at, okay? It's covered. Always try to cover it after you use it. You do have a Bluetooth speaker here, so just look at the videos for the outdoor Bluetooth speaker, and you're able to play music out here when you're enjoying yourself in here. You also do have lights inside the cabin right there where the record player is at. You'll see by the wall where it says outdoor string lights. Turn that one on and that will turn on this lights and also the outdoor lights, okay? Now when you uncover the hot tub, okay, you uncover it, it's uncovered already. Try to put this all the way towards the end there, and when you finish, just bring it back and cover it back up, please, okay? Now the panel's really easy, okay? Right now it's slow, but you know, this is just, if you want to get it hotter, go here. Always try to set it at 102 when you leave. If you want it hotter, by all means go ahead, bring it up hotter to 104, whatever. I think that's your max. But always when you leave, try to leave it at 102, okay? That's that. So it's just this, the positive and the negative for your heat, for your to get warmer. Now you have lights here, okay? You're not gonna be able to see them right now, but I'll open it up. You have lights there too, and also you do have a little waterfall, okay? So if you want to turn those on, all you gotta do is just put the lights, push the lights, and then it should turn on. For that to turn off, you just press it like 2 or 3 times, and it should turn off, okay? The jets, so easy. It's just one button. You press it once, okay? That will stop this right now. I mean, because it's warming up. And then you press it once, and then you press it twice. That should give you more, you know, the bigger waterfall, more jets there. Okay, guys. Now, for you to turn off the jets, just do the same thing. Push jets again. Push it again until they turn off. You'll see them turn off right there. Okay guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to text me, call me, whatever you need. Okay, so remember, try to leave this at 102 when you leave, cover it all up when you leave, and then close these doors also when you leave, please. Okay, thank you very much.